We are at the Taipei Zoo Station getting our tickets for the gondola and the zoo today. We're gonna go see some koala bears and some panda bears. These are the different tickets you can get. So you can get a one-day pass for $300, which is about $10, unlimited gondola rides, and entrance into the zoo. Or you can upgrade. We're in line and you splurged and spent the extra $50
each.
Taiwan dollars each.
Yeah, $25.
For the crystal bottom gondola. Which was an extra $1 basically.
Yeah.
Woohoo, I'm excited.
Well,
We're gonna go see the zoo.
we're gonna see the zoo.
And the tea houses. We're on the gondola.
Yes, we are.
It's got the glass bottom. I'm excited. I'm excited.
Here we go.
Going up, up, up. Look how far down that is.
That's lovely.
I feel like you're gonna fall out. Ooh, we're off again.
Here we are in the gondola.
In the gondola. That's really interesting.
Yeah, that's different.
Supposed to be famous for their tea houses here.
Okay, you want to go look at the tea house? There's a coffee house or tea house, coffee house. What do you want to tell them?
We're at the top of the mountain.
At the top of the mountain, the tea house is top of the gondola.
Yeah.
We can go have a little bit of tea and coffee, and then we'll go into the zoo, I guess.
Sounds good.
Bye-bye.
All right, let's go to a tea house. So if you're here, you should go to a tea house.
Let's see, which is which? I can't tell which of that. You want to go upstairs and sit, or can we go upstairs also?
Here's the menu.
Thank you.
Have a seat first and back shoulder.
Good afternoon.
We got our tea.
Got our tea.
The tea house. Cheers. Different ice cream with cookies on it.
That's what they were taking pictures.
Oh, is it like a soft serve ice cream?
Milk tea mix and green tea.
Oh, exciting.
About that.
That's a thing here. Oh, look, big ice creams. Wow. This is where you get your ice cream. Yeah, I see. It is an ice cream.
Here we are
Look how beautiful it is.
in our adventures. It's a long way down, but it's nice.
Taiwan.
But right there, see that one?
Over there's another tea house.
That's the sea. Yeah.
Oh, look, there's little kittens here. That's so cute.
Hi.
Hi, look at us.
Bye-bye. Hi, Annie.
Hi.
We're at a little temple on the mountain.
Second stop from the top.
Yep, near the zoo. Trail. That's where we are. It says Blessing Trail. And then the Immortal Plaza. And the temple.
We're gonna get on the shuttle.
Hi, sweetie. We're at the zoo.
We're going on the shuttle.
We're starting the zoo adventure. Yay.
The shuttle. Are you looking for your zoo map?
Yeah.
Look how big they get here.
Go big in Thailand.
This is Taiwan.
That's Taiwan. There you go.
Baby turtle, how are you? This one's really busy. This one is on the move. Where are you going, turtle? Where are you going? Yeah, they're like, go away, people. Go away.
No. No.
Come on out, little penguins.
No. Nobody playing up there. Straight over there. Right there. See it moving?
Oh, I see something
Right there
moving.
you go. It's a little dirty. A little bit of a dirty little.
Look at them.
See, there they go. They're doing otter things.
Otter things. What do otters do?
And they walk.
There they are. They're thinking about going in the water. Nope. Oh, look. They're like, should we go? Should we take a dip? Oh, they're in. How do I get out of here?
There you go. Okay, he's walking away and
He's gone.
He's gone.
Look at you. Come on over. Oh, look at you. Wow, you are all fluffy and furry. Look at you. Oh, look how fast they are.
I bet they're real fast when they're actually trying. Hi.
Hi there, look at you. That's why we're going to go to South Africa to see their penguins. Oh, just gliding by. We're at the penguin
We're here
house.
with the penguins.
Look at them.
They're cute. They're adorable.
Very graceful in the water.
They are.
Tired little penguins. We saw the cougar earlier, didn't we? Wasn't he unhappy because he's just pacing back and forth?
They seem to develop that habit.
Pacing, he's like, I'm gonna get out of here. Where'd he go? He's going way over there.
There it is.
Hi. Oh, there's two of them. A baby one.
好，底下你看很多，这个就是
I'm not sure this is. Huh. Look at that guy.
That's a baby on the white thing. See?
Oh, I see him jumping. Like, up there?
Yep, on the roof. Yeah, see those
I do. Well, I see something moving. I'm recording it. Wow. Can I get out?
Yep, there's a restaurant right there. They're gonna go.
Okay. They're gonna go have lunch. Walk this way. Say hi. Can he get over here?
I think he's kind of gone.
Oh.
He'll get back up, obviously. The other one's right there. Right there, coming at you. Going down. There you go.
Hello, monkey. I think I got the hippo. He doesn't have a very big area to go.
Oh, he's probably got.
I think they're looking for lunch. Hi, Camel. How are you doing, baby?
He's waiting for someone to get on.
Let's go for a ride.
He might be a train, yeah.
Let's go for a ride. Look at the restaurants here.
Yeah, they're cute. That one's squirrels, $40 a day.
I have to take pictures of the totem poles.
Otters, the orangutans, the Siamese, the crocodiles.
But look how adorable these are.
Giant anteater.
I don't want to see that. I want to see the panda.
Hello. We're in the tropical area of the rainforest area of the zoo.
The zoo, the Taiwan Zoo.
Still going to see the pandas.
Hopefully. This panda's taking a nap.
He's taking a
He's tired.
wasting my time.
I'm so tired. Where are you going? Oh, look how big you are. You should get on your little swing, dude. How are you doing? Look at you go. We saw that guy.
We went to see the pandas.
The giant
Nope,
pandas.
it's nice.
We did not see that dude.
No. Well, today we don't see.
We saw that dude. We have 2 koala houses. Look at him. Look how adorable he is. And I'm just eating. It's lunchtime. Look at you. Wow. This is how koalas spend their days.
Yeah, eat all right, I think.
What are you doing? What are you doing up there, dude? Take the koala bear. Hello, baby. No, he's facing the other way.
Maybe there's somebody working over there now listening to him and see what he got. That one's walking now. But if you climb a little bit, you can see different things. Oh, is he too there? He's trying to bother out of him. Should we give him food or something? Just watering fruits.
We're exiting the park. This is a really nice park.
Yes.
We're leaving the zoo.
Great day at the zoo.
Wonderful day at the zoo. I saw the koalas and the big pandas.
Mm-hmm.
We are at the night market in Taiwan.
Yes, we are.
Look at us go. Come on. Made it to the night market. Food. It's not quite as chaotic.
No?
I think because there's not traffic in here as well.
Yeah, a little bit of food. A little different than the other foods.
A lot of street food.
Come on.
What is it?
Pachinko machines.
Oh,
In other words, it was like in the old days that we played, you know, but this is gambling now. Very popular. I don't know if this should be recording them, but it's very popular.
I don't know. More food.
I was going to go look at it.
I'm just
Look at it.